Hey, what's up everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, and coming to you here from, well, right outside of Jacksonville. Me and my wife are doing some shopping today, and I'm waiting on her, so I decided to cut a quick video here. And I was thinking about something. So here we are in the year 2018. We're getting ready to go into 2019, and this is that time of the year where most folks give up on their business, or they stop their business and they don't pick it up until the next year, so 2019. So this is October 27th, and next month, of course, is November, and of course December, and then the new year. So here's the thing: if you're at that point right now and you are thinking about putting the brakes on your business because it's coming up to the holidays, I implore you, or I suggest to you, this is the time that you need to pick it up so that you can build the momentum that you need to make your 2019 or the next new year better than it was right now. So don't stop the brakes. Don't give up. Don't say, hey, my family's here. It's the holidays. I'm going to give up on my business. Pick it up. Because guess what? 97% of all the other home business entrepreneurs are going to do that exact same thing. But don't let that be you. That's it. Just keep it going. Keep it going. Still enjoy your time with family. I'm going to be enjoying my time with family, but I'm not going to shut my business down for the next 2 months and not do anything to grow it and wait until the new year. Guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from St. Augustine, Florida. I wish you all the best. And guys, if this is your first time on my channel, I do suggest that you subscribe. I try my best to give you inspiration, tips, tricks, things that can help you build your business, whether you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, in-app marketing, and direct sales. God bless you guys. I'll see you on the next video. And if you did get value from this video, be sure to, one, like it, and also share it with somebody that could probably need a little bit of inspiration, especially during these upcoming holiday season, to set them up for the coming year. God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And I think my wife is almost ready. All right, God bless you guys. Peace.